Well, hey everybody. It is just before 5 p.m., 12/26, 2019, and had to do a little humble brag here. Under primary, your primary tab is empty. Social, your social tab is empty. Promotions, your promotions tab is empty. Updates, your updates tab is empty. And then under forums, your forums tab is empty. Inbox 0 has been on my to-do list for, oh boy, I don't know. I think this is the third time this calendar year that I've hit inbox 0 in the work email. Starting off the fresh, new year of being more diligent on this. I'm happy to tell you about all the ways I've gotten here, and each time I get a little bit better at it. So, man, this feels nice. All right, let me stop this video before someone sends me an email.